Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Maglite Parts is probably one of the most iconic flashlights ever made, and today, we're diving deep into what makes them tick. From the bulb to the tail cap, we'll explore the essential components that bring your Maglite to life. Whether you're a seasoned flashlight enthusiast or just curious about how these trusty tools work, this video will break down everything you need to know about Maglite Parts. Number 5. Lit Industries Maglite LED Upgrade Bulb and Lens Kit. Introducing the new LED Upgrade Kit, now compatible with 2 to 6 cell Maglites. This upgrade makes it easier than ever to enhance your flashlight. We've upgraded the LED chip for higher output and better color indexing. This means the light is brighter and more accurate. Experience a massive increase in brightness, up to 777% more light. This will dramatically improve how you see in the dark. Installation is quick and easy, taking only minutes to complete. You'll be enjoying the benefits of this upgrade in no time. The beam distance is significantly improved with this upgrade. See further and illuminate more with this enhanced kit. Get up to 20 hours of extended battery life. This upgrade helps you save energy and extend the life of your batteries. The kit includes a new LED bulb with a 1.5 to 9V operating range. This ensures compatibility and optimal performance. What we like. This kit upgrades your Maglite with a newer LED chip, boosting light output significantly. It also extends battery life, saving you money and hassle. If you're looking to modernize your old Maglite without buying a new flashlight, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Easy replacement. Remove old bulb and replace with new LED bulb. The included collar seems to be the same as my existing old collar, but I replaced it anyway. I didn't realize that my old lens was so dingy, so I replaced that too with the new lens included in the kit. The LED is definitely whiter and brighter and does draw a little bit less amperage than the old incandescent bulb. The LED bulb installs and functions in the 2D cell Maglite, contrary to the packaging statement of it being for 3 to 6 cell flashlights. Number 4. Bust-A Cap Glass Breaker for Maglite D-Cell. This is the Bust-A Cap, specifically designed for Maglite D-Cell flashlights. It's a reliable glass breaker, perfect for emergency situations. It ensures you're prepared when you need it most. The Bust-A Cap is compatible with Maglite D-Cell LED, incandescent, and rechargeable incandescent models. It's a versatile tool that fits a range of flashlights. However, it does not fit the ML300 D-Cell. This cap is built for breaking glass. It's a crucial tool for escaping vehicles or other emergencies. Its robust design ensures it can withstand the pressure. Installing the Bust-A Cap is straightforward. Simply replace your existing cap. This simple upgrade provides added safety and functionality. The Bust-A Cap is a must-have for anyone who carries a Maglite D-Cell flashlight. It's a small addition that can make a big difference in an emergency. Get yours today and be prepared. What we like. This cap is designed for emergency situations, providing a quick and reliable glass-breaking tool. It's built tough, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of its intended use. If you prioritize safety and need a reliable tool for emergencies, you should consider this. What people say. It is a simple, well-manufactured, effective addition to any Maglite to add functionality. The product fit my 3-cell Maglite and appears to be solid and well made. It's a great addition to my Mag 4D. It's mounted in my truck, and I like knowing I can get through a window safely if required. Tested its functionality on an old piece of glass, and was not disappointed. Number 3. Maglite Mini 2-Cell AAAA Flashlight Replacement Lamp. Are you looking for a replacement lamp for your Maglite flashlight? This is the perfect solution. It's designed specifically for the Mini 2-Cell AAAA model. This replacement lamp provides bright and reliable lighting. It ensures that you can see clearly in any situation. It is a great choice for your flashlight. With this lamp, you can restore the illumination of your flashlight. It offers excellent performance and long-lasting use. Get yours today and experience the difference. This is a xenon lamp which provides a bright and focused beam. It is a direct replacement for your old lamp. It is easy to install and use. This lamp is made for Maglite flashlights. It is a high-quality product that will last for a long time. It is a great investment for your safety. What we like. This replacement lamp is a direct fit for your mini Maglite, ensuring your flashlight is always ready. It provides bright illumination, making it easy to see in the dark. If you need a quick and easy way to restore your mini Maglite's functionality, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy to install, works very well. The perfect replacement. So easy to put in and the size was correct and it was even brighter than before. These light bulbs are bright and last a long time. Number 2. Weltool LB03 Stainless Steel Strike Bezel for Maglite. Introducing the Weltool LB03 Strike Bezel, designed to upgrade your Maglite C or D cell flashlights. This stainless steel bezel enhances the functionality of your flashlight, making it more versatile. This strike bezel is precisely machined to fit Maglite C and D cell flashlights, including the ML300 series. It ensures a perfect fit, enhancing the overall performance of your flashlight. Crafted from a solid stainless steel column, this bezel is incredibly durable. It's 1.13 times harder than 7075 aluminum alloy, offering superior impact and corrosion resistance. Featuring a 6-attack tooth design, this bezel is ideal for self-defense or breaking glass in emergencies. The robust design provides added security and peace of mind. The sandblasted surface is more wear-proof than anodized aluminum alloy. It's also adaptable to various flashlight body colors, ensuring a seamless integration. The package includes the LB03 stainless steel strike bezel, a replacement lens, an O-ring, and a protective case for the lens. Everything you need for a quick and easy upgrade is included. What we like. This strike bezel is made from stainless steel, offering superior durability and impact resistance. Its design incorporates attack teeth, making it suitable for self-defense. If you value both the functionality and the toughness of your flashlight, you should consider this. What people say. They do work and fit well and add an additional dimension and capability to the flashlight. Added one to my 40-ish-year-old 6D cell Maglite, perfect fit. Well made, great add-on to the 3D cell LED Maglite, at a reasonable price considering. Comes with glass lens to replace the factory Lexan lens, and new O-ring, easy install. Hardest part is getting the factory bezel unscrewed, which takes some muscle. Number 1. Lumencraft LED Conversion Kit for Maglite Flashlight. Tired of your old flashlight? This Lumencraft kit gives it a major upgrade. It transforms your Maglite into a powerful 800 lumen torch. No tools or modifications are needed. It's designed for a simple, hassle-free installation, breathing new life into your old flashlights. This kit offers 3 output levels, high, medium, and low. You can adjust it for close-up tasks or long-distance visibility. It's over 15 times brighter than standard incandescent bulbs. This allows you to see a larger area and a greater distance with ease. The highly efficient LED extends battery life. You can get up to 160 hours of use on low mode. It fits both new and old CD cell Maglites, including those with Magnum Star BI pin bulbs. However, it does not fit Maglites that are LED from the factory. What we like. This kit breathes new life into your old Maglite, transforming it into a high-powered LED flashlight. It offers multiple output levels for versatile use. If you like having options and want to significantly upgrade your flashlight's performance, you should consider this. What people say. Works great, has a great beam, and is really bright. Brightness setting all work great and it automatically turns on the same brightness setting you turned it off. As an older model flashlight, it was necessary to remove the extra spacer. And one is well served to follow the directions and completely remove the head to install this kit rather than simply remove the lens. On the other hand, you gain the ability to choose 3 different intensity levels. Even the low setting seems almost as, or perhaps just as, bright as the original incandescent bulb. Overall, this is a good kit that has brought new life to my old Maglite and given it performance that rivals some of my newer, fancier, rechargeable flashlights. The instruction sheet is straightforward, I should have read it through from the start. It would have only taken a few minutes and saved me the several additional minutes I wasted complaining, erroneously, that it didn't install or work correctly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.